Dear students, today we are going to draw a pie chart in the Spss. Here we can see that there are two types of data: items and expenditures. And items are five types: food, clothing, rent, Medicare, miscellaneous. And expenditures are written in the figures. You can see that, like 10,000, 6,400 in the rupees, etc. Now we will go to the graph tab in chart builder. Here you can see that chart builder window. If you have already drawn a chart, you can reset this. So now there is no chart available. I click on pie chart from the I choose from pie chart because I am trying item and expenditures pie chart. So here is buyer, line, area, etc. There are a lot of charts. I click on the pie chart and drag it, drop here. I put items are the x-axis and expenditure are the y-axis. I need values of the items independently. It will be shown, and I need expenditures a value, and click on the OK button. So here we can see the output. This is the output of the pie chart. Here you see there are different colors representing different items, like green color representing food, rent is being represented in the yellow colors, green clothing. Here is legend, you can see that separately, and a beautiful pie chart is in front of you. You can present it in any presentation or any requirements.